Hello students, how are you? Uh, so till now you guys learned through our school YouTube channel. But now this is Balu from Gautam High School, Pedapudi is here to explain you the new concepts of your new academic year. So in this video we are learning from 8th standard the new chapter matter around us. So first of all, what is matter? What is matter? Everything is a matter. This piece of chalk is a matter. Pen is a matter. A book is a matter. Everything, a shirt is a matter. A piece of cloth, a tree, earth, teeth, ear, hair, everything is a matter. But of course everything is a matter. Then why we are discussing here? Why? Because there are different types of matter in this world. What are the types of matter? Let us see now. If you are thirsty, if you are feeling thirsty, what will you drink? Simply that water. Is it? Then you know that we could get water in the form of liquid. Again, can you guess in any other form? Can you get the water? Yes, that is in the form of solid. What is that? Ice cube. And again, in another form, can you get water? Yes, of course, that is gaseous form. What is that gaseous form of water? If you are boiling milk, you may observe few gases releasing from the surface of the vessel. What is that? That is called water vapor. That is called gaseous state of water. Understand? So from this we can conclude that every matter in this universe will occur one of these three states. Every matter in this universe occurs in one of these states. Can you example them? For example, can you example the liquid? Petrol, water, kerosene, ink, something else. And example for solid: book, pen, paper, wood, everything. Or gaseous state. Just you are simply breathing the air. It is a gas. And you are cooking food. How you are cooking food? By consuming gas. Where is that gas? That gas is in your gas cylinder. Okay. And again, how these matters occurs and what are their properties? Let us discuss in this video. First of all, solid. Solids contains a definite shape and a definite volume. How could you say that? Is this a solid? Yes, this is a solid. So, can you change the shape of this article? No. If you have broken it out also, it will be in a constant shape and volume will be reduced. But you can't change the shape of the volume. So, for solid matters, the shape of the article and volume of the article remains same. Understand? Well, coming to the liquids, so how about the volume of the liquids and shape of the liquids? Simply take water into a tumbler. In this case, what is the shape of this water? It is definitely in the shape of tumbler. Take water into a bowl. In this case, what is the shape of the water? The shape of the water is bowl. Understand? And if you have taken the same amount of water into another cylinder maybe. So now, what is the shape of this water? It is in the shape of cylinder. But you measure the water in these three vessels. You measure the volume of this liquid. You can find that the volume, how much volume is here for the liquid. The same volume will be here for the same liquid. The same volume will be here also, in this case also, for the same liquid. So that we can say that the shape of the liquids will be changed, but volume remains same. Shape of the liquids will be changed, but volume remains changed. That is what about liquids. And the third one is gases. What about gas? So, while coming to gas, liquid, gas matters. As liquids, gases also changes their shape according to the container. If you filled gas into a cylinder, then the shape of the gas in the cylinder is cylinder. If you filled gas into a syringe, injection syringe, the shape of the gas is in the shape of injection syringe. Okay, so these are the properties of solid state matter, liquid state matter and gaseous state matter. Again, now the present concept is diffusion of gases. What is diffusion of gases? If you in your daily life, while doing puja in your puja room, your mom or dad will light the incense stick, right? If they lighten the incense stick in the puja room, you may smell it by sitting in your room itself. Is it? So, how this is possible? This is called diffusion property of gases, which means the smoke and vapors released from the incense stick mixes with the surrounding atmospheric air and travels to your nose, then you will smell it. This property is called as diffusion of gases. For example, at some other distance, some drainage is blocked. You may smell it by sitting in your room. It may disturb you. Why? Because the vapors releases from that drainage water, mixes with the atmospheric air and travels and reaches to your nose. And why it is disturbing means that is a weird smell, is it? You can't smell it. You don't like that smell. That's why it disturbs you. But if somebody sprayed some scent or a deodorant and entered into the classroom, you may be surprised or you may give some expression, oh, because that smell makes you some happy. That's why you will feel some surprised. You will be some surprised. Okay, so this property of gases could be called as diffusion of gases. And next one is diffusion of liquids. What is called diffusion of liquids? How the liquids will be diffused? Let us see here. For example, take a bowl of water. Take a bowl of water and drop few drops of red color or blue color or something. You observe this water inside the bowl after few minutes of time. What will be happen to the water? This water will turn into the poured color. Which color you poured into that color, this water will be turned. Is it? How this happens? Into a huge amount of water, you simply just drop 2, 3 or 4 drops of color. But entire the water is turned its color into that. Why? Because that is called diffusion property of liquids. Okay? Thank you.